How to safely send money from Binance to Wise. I will show you how you can safely send money from Binance to Wise. First, you have to open any browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, and etc. Search Binance.com on the search bar of the browser. Open the website and go to Dashboard. Make sure to log in to your Binance account first. You will see different icons on the upper right corner of the screen. Go to the My Wallet icon shown after the profile and select Funding Wallet from the drop-down menu. You will see your estimated balance on the funding screen. Click on Transfer on the right side of the screen. Select from Funding and to Flat and Spot. You can change the From and To option from their drop-down menu. Enter coins in the bank. As you can see, I have no money to transfer. And add the amount you want to transfer from funding. After you add the amount, click Confirm. Go back to the funding page and you can see coins and amounts. Go to Trade and select P2P from the drop-down menu. Click P2P and you can see Buy and Sell options. Select your payment from the drop-down menu of all payments. You can sell your payments by clicking on Sell USDT. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.